Kube ukhismus ongemuhle kubafana ababili baseBloemfontein abahlaselwe abelungu ababili baseMasselsport. Umndeni walabafana uthi ushaqekile ngokuqhubeka kwezigameko ezifuze lezi zokucwasa ngokwebala.
We had expected that it would be attempted murder, as the video shows. However, with instructions from above in the police service, they were ordered to open a case of common assault.
Abaphathi bendawo yokuncebeleka bathi imigomo yabo ayikuvumeli ukucwasa ngokwebala, futhi wonke umuntu uvumelekile ukuzijabulisa kule ndawo.
Our resort is a racially free resort. We do not allow any segregation, we do not allow any racism, we do not tolerate any fighting.
Owengamele zokuvakasha eFree State umile kwelokuthi abalisa abahlaselwe amabhungu kufanele bakhishwe kule ndawo. Uthi lesi sigameko siphazamise imizamo yokheha izivakashi esifundazweni.
He wants to assure all the potential tourists that Free State remains the place of choice, notwithstanding this unexpected, incredible incident.
EFF esifundazweni ithi izolandela amaphoyisa ukuze ithole ukuthi kungani liguqulwe amacala okuzama ukubulala.
We met with the Provincial Commissioner of Police. He promised us he's dealing with the matter, and we're here to supervise that if things are going all right.
Omunye wezivakashi uthi lamadoda enze wangakuthokozela ukuhlala kwakhe kule ndawo.
It's only the white people who were swimming in this pool, so they didn't want our kids to come and swim as well in here, so they were chasing them away.
Kusenjalo okhulumela amaphoyisa uMotansi Makhele uqinisekisile ukuthi amaphoyisa aseGlen abizelwe endaweni yesigameko ngoKhismus ntambama kanti futhi asaphenya icala lokushaya.